this is for the foot lift. So if I want to pick up the foot to put material in, I'm going to push the foot lift and put the material under, and then start sewing. So that's all this one's for. Okay, this is the pedal, and this does three things. If you push it forward just a little bit on your single needle overlock cover stitch, what it does is it releases the brake, so I can turn the hand wheel. Very easy. Okay, in the back position is the brake or the stop position. So at that point, the machine will stop. So if I try turning the hand wheel with my foot on the brake, it's very hard. So I'm fighting it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is start sewing, and as
pull the needle threads free of the bottom, take a hold of the looper threads, and then pull all of the threads that are tied off to the new spools all the way through. So there's the knots that are coming through, and now we have the new thread threaded. Okay, and all the threads are pulled through. Take the foot, put it over the top of these, and lock it down in the back. Spool number one is and runs down. Here, we're going to choose this. There. So thread through that front hole with tweezers right there, and you turn the wheel to the back, and you get, there it is, the back. It goes through that hole, and you can see the white thread right there. And then that, you turn it back to the front again. When you rotate it to the front, it's right there. That's the front part of it. So from there, it goes up under the foot and free to the back. Right. So the next thread is the upper looper, which is here, and we're going to go down. And you follow the colors. It's yellow. There, and then to there, up to there, and then up underneath top of the upper looper. And the lower looper thread has to go around over the top of that. So when we do the chain, it makes the chain. Okay, so the left needle is there, and the right needle is over there, and down into the two needles. And I'll do it this way.
Okay, now we're going to work on the differential feed, and this is the knob that you would adjust the differential feed with. I'm going to move the foot out of the way so I can show you better. At this point here in the relaxed position, which is the up position on a Juki, as I'm turning the hand wheel, you'll notice that the back feed dog is going faster than the front. So ideally what that's going to do is stretch your material. Wovens has a tendency to shear, so you would adjust it to stretch. Okay, so you'll see when I push it down, there's a number line here, and the larger the number, the more the shearing. So I'm going to put it in the relaxed position to show you what happens when you sew a knit. So now I'm just going to run some knit material through, see what it looks like. And you'll notice that it's stretching out of shape. So this is when I would adjust the differential feed. So now I'm going to go loosen it, go down a little bit, tighten it, and then we'll see how that looks. Okay, so now I'm trying it again with the differential feed. That you can see it shearing just a little bit, but I'm not actually shearing the material. So you can see where the first time it stretched the material out too much. So as I'm sewing now, it's not stretched as much. Okay, sometimes you need a little bit more shearing and sometimes a little bit less. So I would loosen this up and depress it a little bit more if I needed more shearing to make your material lay flat when you're done.